Hmm. Yeah, just decided I want to record what I was doing today. Crouch script. I want to enhance it so it could slide. Just gonna try this out the way it is. This has got to be so fucking boring for someone who's watching. Why do I even record these for myself? I don't look back on them. This is boring for even me too, to a certain extent. Plus, I look ugly as hell. Nothing. Let me just see if this does anything. Hey. just gonna set it to anything. This works pretty especially. Really do not have to wall run upstairs. So I gotta fix this dash ability. It's just way too goddamn powerful. Was that a bird or some shit? What the hell was that? Like, god damn. Turn me into a rocket ship, why don't you? I don't even know how it works or where it goes, because you can only use it twice. And it's some little glitch I found from the template of the map and the base character. It's no different. I can change. Yeah, I could change that about itself, but why can't I change its rotation value? It wants to, but it won't. I'll look it up. That could work. At least I think. I know this isn't gonna help me at all, but I just want to see something. I'll keep you in mind, Baba. For now, what I'll do don't know. So, ay, shit. Oh, come on. Decrease walk speed. I don't want to decrease walk speed because I don't know if I'll ever add something that enhances your what is my current walk speed? I don't know what that is in units. Shit, I don't know what that is in anything. I forgot that was an option. I saw crouch walk speed and character movement. Shit, I'll try it. Does this work? No. Do you work for this? What do I use for this? What do I use for crouch? Is it compatible with just itself? It is. Alright then. Let's see what you got then. Baba. I really need to move this guy. He is annoying as hell. And it does fuck all. Alright. That's great to know. Crouch process. Get the crouch. Crouch is crouching. Movements. Okay. What does crouch do? Crouch input. Okay. I'll have to replace that with control one. Actually, let me just turn this off. So uncrouch, crouch. What do you do? What is your purpose? What are you good for? Target character. How about show me? Main height is like what? Yeah, can crouch. Of course, can crouch. Still nothing. Wait a damn minute. Am I shorter? I look shorter. That's because I was shorter. That's because I am shorter. I will have to get rid of you and you for a second. That makes it a lot easier, but I feel like I run into some problems. And plus, does that control pauses the game? Fucking hell. Okay, that. It's low poly. That's cool. I wouldn't even say low poly. This is just like I also need to fix the bullet holes, because when you shoot it on, I think this the x-axis. Oh fuck, I think this the x-axis. I don't even know. I don't know what this is. When you shoot it this way, bullets are fine. Bullets are steady. But when you shoot it literally any other way, it's all kinds of fucked up. That's because it's only looking this way. I need it to be able to look every way, not just on whatever axis this is. Because when it's on this, it shoots like this, fine. It shoots like this, fine. But anywhere else, it's absolutely fried. So, how do the enemies look? Basic. Yellow, Shabrillah, mashallah, my friend. You're not friendly. I shoot you dead. You are now dead, you bitch ass nigga. So uncrouch, crouch. Those work for now, maybe. I'm just worried if I settle with this, I won't come back to it. And plus, there's no way to edit the actual crouch amount. Yes, the fuck there is. What am I talking about? But the real question is, I'm gonna have to play through this whole map. Yep. Bye-bye. Use this random dash ability that I never added in myself. Can I still wedge into vents? I can. That's good news. So it does have a half height, but I just need to move the camera down. So a half height. Now I'm fully understanding what half height is. It moves every component, every physical component of your camera down by half of its height. I already got the actual half height. The actual half height is some number. I don't give a damn to remember right now, like 80 some shit. It moves all of it down by half of that when you do that. So if I were to bring this down more. Oh, now we're in decimals. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. What is go back to your original number. Like 20 something, just to start off. Compile, because I don't know what I'd do if I didn't compile it while I was still editing it. It's smaller. No time for you. Yeah, I'm just gonna need to move the camera down because now this is just getting ridiculous. And plus, why is my guy is almost like on top of all his stuff? What if I were to just what if I were to just like there? Would that look small? I'd feel really small. Yeah, I'd feel extremely small. Yeah. Let me go face to face with an NPC, see how they look. Because right now I feel small. It's probably because it's definitely because I scaled myself down. But like, yeah, I feel really, really small. And I don't plan on scaling down. But I can, you know, shit, that's too much. You know, just enough, just a small amount. Actually, why did I do that? I could just, that's the same shit. Why did I fuck that up before? I'll just do it again like that to move you up just a slight bit. There we go. Please don't fuck up too much. That's about normal. How do I look in the face of someone shooting directly at me? About that height, yeah. Just shooting point blank at my chest. Hey, buddy, you know how much shots it takes to kill a dumbass? Too late, you're dead. Yes, I did just take that straight from Scout. Damn. Damn, that would have been so cool if I hit that. That would have been so cool if I hit that. Shit. Alright, I need to stop hitting that button. But that makes this more... Yeah. So... What if I made a crawl? That'd be stupid as hell. Let me just make a crouch. So I'll do that, and then I will add this on top of those. I'm trying my hardest to fuck you. Alright. What is the problem? What is so... okay. I'll say, can you see by the dawn... No, I gotta do it in the Mickey Mouse accent. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? Ho ho! Oh, man! Oh, fuck you. Alright. That looks about good. And now I can't move anymore. God damn. Alright, where did I put it? There we go. Stop movement, disable movement. I screwed myself royally. I'm also going to put a pin in you. I see a use for you. Got the big imaginations. I know what I want to do with yous. If I ever get to it. Okay, how do we go from, like, exceptional to... whatever the hell that is. So you are still bringing the camera down. Which one was it? Which value was it? I'm just going to have to slowly scale it down until I eventually... Blue? Yes. It's hard to tell sometimes. Sometimes it's fucking green. I don't know. So... That's gonna scale me up. Oh yeah, I changed the value. And so... Let me just, like... Let me scale this down a bit, actually. That's way too far. Like 83. Now revert it back to what it was beforehand and put that in here. Now the barrel of my gun is still clipping into the ground. But then again, the barrel of my damn gun is clipping in everywhere, so shit. How am I gonna fix that? I could just make it so I'm really fucking fat. Like, just... That's not gonna work. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. That is gonna work. And now... Tub of fuck. Tub of fuck. Tub of fuck. That's not working. Okay. Why did I just keep saying tub of fuck? There's 2 collision cylinders. Why is it 2 collision cylinders? Why did I have one set up? And which collision cylinder is everything set for then? What the hell is this? What are you? Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone. So that's one collision cylinder. I'm gonna figure out what you are. Where? That's the capsule component. That's the actual. You're gonna get real big for. You're just gonna get real. There you go. I don't know if what I'm doing is gonna fuck anything or barely there. Got no time for you. And you made me you actually I do got time for you. You made me miss both of my shit. I don't know how you did that, but you did. Shit. I'm gonna get you eventually. I'm not gonna kill you right now. I'm not gonna kill you right now, little nigga. Because I know that you know that I know. I'm getting so off track. I want to make grenades too. I just want to be able to throw one in there and him just die. Well, it does work. It does work, but I'm definitely just gonna have to make this cross spot bigger because it is not made to fit a gun like this. But the cool part is how small it is. How like tensile it is. I don't even think that's how you use that word, but still. I want to figure out how to make it so the gun doesn't clip into the floor. I'm gonna look that up. How do I make it so the gun doesn't clip into the floor? Because the floor is so happy it's not going to clip into the floor because the phone has no collision. My gun has no collision. FPS gun clipping into the floor because it's clipping into the floor because my gun has no collision. Gun clip in blah 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 into wall. Remove clipping. Yes. What the hell?
Welcome back to a new Unreal Engine tutorial.
You look like okay.
Here with my weapon, or they render it used my weapon is clipping in the wall.
Yep.
And now we want to provide that. And the most games uses that you render the first-person arms and the weapon in the world. So
I want to see
in one clip.
Oh my god.
But I want to go with it looks not so good. So how do we do this? We
I just have like extreme attention problems.
basically create
Like
another
extreme attention problems. I will not be able to listen to this like what? 1 minute to like I will not be able to listen to this like 11 or like 10-minute dialogue of him just slowly going through the steps. I won't be able to physically do it. Or I will, but it will be hell for me. So I just throw the code in there and analyze it myself. What?
on the rotation, you can see the X is the rotation that will move our weapon down. So let's say plus, where is plus 5? Okay, plus 5. So let's see. Okay.
Damn.
Okay.
That blew your hands off your body.
It's under the ground. Okay. So let's say minus, let's say 0.1.
0.1.
So it's not that fast. Yeah. Okay. So you can see our hands are moving down, but yeah, the origin point of our first-person hands is yeah, it's down here. So we want to actually rotate it up here. So the origin is here and we can rotate it like that. So let's create another scene. So under the first person camera, add a scene here, and call this the clipping socket. We have to reset first. No, okay. On this point here. So let's compile and save. Yeah, at the relative location, rotation, sorry, to the. Oh, okay. So actually, the you can see our weapon is moving up. So now you can see our actually bring our weapon back up. Yeah, that's looking good. So when we're not hitting the wall, and just basically when we're not set the relative. So new rotation here. World data set rotation. Moving our weapon down, and when we hit, we get any errors. Moving the weapon down, and it's moving up again. But yeah, when we're like not near to the wall, you can see that our weapon is moving up more. We move the weapon more down, and it says, "Oh yeah, I'm not hitting the wall anymore." Then I want to move up,
and like that.
Yeah, then it looks not. And yeah, we can basically copy this trace here, paste it here.
Just show me the final result.
Yeah, I think so. So now you can see when we go to a wall, our weapon is moving down, it's moving up again, and when it's not near to the wall, our weapon is just moving. So I think that was the tutorial. Yeah, a little short tutorial, and I hope you understand anything. If you have any questions, then yeah, feel free to write in the comments.
That's a solution. Let me check if I can even do that. It's the gun. There's the mechanic. I can make it so that there's a thing on the end of the barrel. It has no collisions to anything outside of that. But how would that do for bullets? How would that do for bullets? This is the actual process that shoots them. I think I originally put it in the barrel, but then that got all fucked. Yeah. So I could make it. So it's actually around the sound of the gun. How would that look from that angle if it just started pulling back like that? That's weird. Let's see, how would that look if I just angled that like that? I can't tell if that's better or worse. Let me actually angle it down. This is just gonna make me look like... I also want to figure out what this little animation is every time I literally do anything. Is it like a landing animation? I don't remember actually ever putting this in here. All I know is this is cool, and it happens whenever I just like, I think, jump. It's like you're throwing your gun away and holding it right back. I don't know why, but I like it. Maybe next time. Some quote. Fuck. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. No, just say fuck it. Put it back where it was before. And this old cloak thing I want to add. I can only get the... Everything else I know is going to be a pain in the ass. Because the AI... I didn't make the AI for this. To make the AI, that would take a very, very long time with multiple nooks and crannies across the board. Especially for things like ragdolling, all this other shit. And then I'd have to learn behavioral blackboards and all that extra shit. And I have to teach them how to aim in multiple different directions, teach them how to relocate when they can no longer see me, like this. He's trying his damn best, I'll give him that. But still, I'd have to teach him how to basically, like, do everything. And I am not willing to do all that crap when I have the money from Christmas to buy it. That's why assets are so valuable. Unless you want to make your first game when you're 60, it's okay to buy some shit and just improve off of it with your own time. And that is what I did. Because it's a lot easier to improve off something already made than to make it from scratch. And sometimes that's okay. That's okay to do. You don't gotta make everything with your bare fucking hands. I taught myself that. It's like being in a kitchen and you gotta harvest all the ingredients to bake a fucking cake on your own. How about you just buy the ingredients? No one's asking you to buy a cake. Why am I still talking about that? What was I doing? I was talking about the clipping and how shitty it is and what to do about it. Okay, I am going to maybe listen to this 13-minute video that to me is looking like hours long, but really it isn't. And then probably get back to recording, since for some reason I don't want to record myself listening to this shit. Alright, well it has been so much longer than I originally said it was gonna be, or told myself it was gonna be, or whatever the fuck it was gonna be. Yeah, I just kind of, yeah. The moment I stopped him recording, I've listened to what he said and decided, yeah, you know what, fuck that. And then later just decided, okay, yeah, I guess I'm doing this shit then. So here we are. And I got something going on. I'm not fully fucking sure what yet. I don't know how arrays work, so that's doing it. That's doing this now. This is doing this now, so yeah. I like how he's honest. All right, let's try it. Where the fuck are my hands? All right, let's try now. Well, I guess my hands are part of the fucking wall now. Wait, can I still get a headshot with my hands up my ass? Yeah! So what the fuck is this clipping shit supposed to do? So... okay. Sir? What? Why the fuck you up here? Why did you change locations and rotation? Why did you double? Why did you double? Why did you double? So, if my math is correct, you should be at 0, fuck ton of zeros, 0.2. Well, go fuck my math. What the hell? Just revert all y'all. Oh, shit. Oh! Okay, it should work now. Should work now. Well, my hand's still... sayonara, goddammit. Why the fuck are you on the ground? Well, now I just fucked my head up 8 different ways. Okay. What was it before? I'm clicking on the wrong thing. The wrong thing. Well, why I fucked up? What am I doing that's so wrong? What am I doing? Why? Why are you up here still? What did I do? I did what you said, Father. Oh, shit. Ah! Fuck. It took so much figuring out and an error because this dude's process was just a little bit different from my process. Because his dynamics and components were in different slots and positions than mine's, and because his was released like a year ago, things were just slightly different, I think. But after just fucking around with a lot, actually no, I'm gonna give myself a little bit of credit. I was detectiving on that shit. I was detectiving, and then I figured out, oh, it's because the main component, the big one that's made to push my gun back, is like twice the size as the one that's supposed to keep my gun there. So it just kept fucking shifting left and right like it was jerking itself off, and it was so annoying. But I eventually figured out to just cool down the to make the first circle that pushes my gun back extremely small, so it just doesn't ever have time to clip in. And the second circle, extremely damn big, extremely big, just so it can always have a relative node on just where to keep my gun instead of pushing it back. But it took me a fucking while to figure that out. Now the last thing I'm gonna do is make it so that the bullets, I want to figure out where my bullets are being shot. I'm gonna figure that out. Once I figure out where my bullets are being shot, I'm gonna make it so that when this node, where the fuck is it? Yes, with this node, I'm gonna add a Boolean switch. So, what would that even be called? Gun pushback. No. Word that means when like your gun is being held up. Safety? No. Gun pushback. I guess I could call it that for now. Gun pushback. I'm gonna make it a capital, even though I don't do that with a lot of things. Gun pushback. And then where the fuck is the left click, 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 aim, click, 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 click. Also, does that activate when I shoot something? Not even in the slightest bit. Good. Interaction, that shit, I never did anything with that. No, firing. There we go. Why is this all the way over here? I never got why this is over here. I don't want to move it back because it's going to be so so goddamn long to move back over here. If I do, I'm gonna get rid of this though, because I know I'm not gonna ever need that again. There's a lot of booleans that are already set up for this, but I could just already set up another one. Gun pushback. Fuck. I always fuck that up. Always. Gun pushback. Fuck. Yeah, gun pushback equals that equals false. Single that here. Then that. Then activate it. I'm actually just gonna do it the much simpler way this time. Gun pushback equals true. And then when this little thing is set, I'll set it so. Gun pushback equals, was it false? It was false. Gun pushback equals, I don't trust myself. I don't trust myself. Even though I know I saw myself see that it was in false. I don't trust. I had to make sure. What the fuck am I saying? Is there a way for me to make it so that the bullets end up actually firing? The bullets are... I don't know how I meshed them together. I don't know how I'm... Why did I just sound like a girl named Bethany for a second? I don't know how I meshed them together, but they're like really fucking complicated now, and I don't know how to unbind them. Like, let me stop with the voice. I sound zesty as hell. Damn. Oh shit. All right. I thought it was created as some. What does the shoot effect do? That's the shoot effect. Okay. On top of that, just can shoot. Because I already have it set up so left mouse button. Enough ammo, and then it, yeah, shots fired. There we go. So that has to be in here. I could just make it so that it acts like the gun is out of ammo when it does that, but I could just make it so the gun acts like it's out of ammo when it does that. But I want to see if I can make it so that the gun just fires in whatever direction. Holy shit, even for me, I made a damn maze. I'm gonna unpin you two. This. And just to make that a little less of a goddamn headache. This. I don't see any need for any of this right now, or ever. It's just taking up space. You're just taking up storage space. Let me make sure you're not connected to anything important, and you're not, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all of you, except making sure that it doesn't take out anything important. Now it's gonna fire, that's gonna fire transform at that point. So now that I know what that is it firing two? No. Okay. So I'm gonna place you in with a branch. Good old branch. I'm just gonna fire you saying gun pushback full cheek true. Fuck. Alright, let me just see it. And then that's gonna equal false, and then I'm gonna make another one called that. Same thing. Everything about it is the exact same. Gonna make it so it's true. The location is going to be, how am I gonna set that up at all in the slightest? They're both kind of just, can I do that? Yes, I can. Yippee. What am I gonna do for that though? Set control rotation. How about I just get gun rotation? That could work maybe. It'd be easier if I just pulled straight from you. Get rotation. Actually, no. Let me just get the guns. Oh shit, that probably sounded real loud. Let me just get the guns rotation itself. Get rotation. Socket rotation, I'd assume. Or world rotation. Fucking hell. World rotation. Get location. That would actually work a lot better. That would work so much better. Get... Fuck. Let me actually head back to... Get location. So S... Yeah. And if you could work for a location, you can work for rotation. And I could have just gotten, god damn it, you know what, I take back that, because that's super simple. Good. Yep, both, oh. Okay, we're just gonna go with the simpler process of, yeah. And then, so if it could work for those, why is this one different? It's not. It's really not. Okay. Did I already plug that in? Get world rotation. Okay, I could try both of these out, because I'm kind of convinced both of these could work just fine. But I will try them both out. So you shoot fine like this, and then when... just doesn't shoot at all like this, I think I'm okay with that. It's an option, not the option I'm looking for, but an option. What about... I don't think rotation even actually matters. Let me just get this. And still not much, actually. Alright, I'm gonna use the fuck is it called? I'm gonna use this to look for something. There we go. Let's see what you got cooking for me now. So why wouldn't you be turning on? That's the weirdest damn thing. It's just the damnedest thing, I tell you. So, does it need an exact location? Because can't it just spawn from control? Get socket location. It's getting something from that. I'll just get socket location then. put something on. This is already getting pretty long. I'll finish this up and then stop, probably. Yeah, so it clears itself up fine, it seems like. What could be the issue for what I am trying to do? Make transform. It's transforming the location of it would post at the socket location of the bullet. No. The muzzle. I thought that'd work. Sphere 2. Oh, shit. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, it's because I made it like that because bullet kept puncturing is this inside of... What if I temporarily like moved you all the way just somewhere that could not get you damaged at all? Just all the way on the other side of the screen. Nope. It just has a big problem with not being directly in the view of the camera. Which, I want it so it's able to shoot, not in the exact position when doing that. I might just have to find the issue on my own. Which, that's technically what I'm doing. I'm just recording myself finding the issue. But then again, I like my storage and I like my computer not to go into goddamn cardiac arrest. So I'm just going to find this issue on my own before my computer spontaneously combusts from the lack of storage it has from me recording for 57 and 25 goddamn